Hello friends, JBM everyone. Friends, today I am going to read the newspapers. I used to read the newspapers daily, four papers, English papers especially. See friends, this one is the Hindu. Friends, I found one important news. Daily when I am reading time only I found and only I am selecting the which are the important, which are the horrible incident, that only I am selecting, and daily I am giving the message on the incident, and I am speaking and I am responding on the incident. See friends, today this Hindu paper, today our main incident is a minor hold for murder of 10-year-old girl. Friends, this is the front page, main page. They were published this news. This news and this incident published all papers. I will show on all papers, friends. This one is a Hans India. See friends, here also published about that incident. See friends, 10th class student arrested for murder of 10-year-old girl. This one, the Hans India also published. And another one, this one. Highly circulated paper, this one, Deccan Chronicle. Everyone also I am showing, this is highly circulated paper, Deccan Chronicle. See friends, here also published, registered about the incident. Teen out to steal bat, kills girl who saw him. This is victim was found stabbed multiple times in her house. See friends, the all papers they were published about the incident, which was registered from the Kukatpalli in Hyderabad. See friends, one minor girl, she was in their inside their home. Their parents, who was the victim girl, their parents came from the Sangareddy to Rangareddy for living and for the work, for their existence. The her father name is a Krishna, mother name is a Renuka. They are a private employees. Her father, he doing the electrician work, and her mother, she doing the lab technician in one private hospital. She was a 10-year-old girl. She was studying uh, sixth class. Her brother, he is a 7-year-old. He is studying first class nearby the their home, nearby the school. That day, on this month, August 18th, on that day the incident occurred and registered. That day she had a holiday. She only lonely inside the home, and their parents also supposed to her for giving the lunch box to her brother. That time she hadn't given the lunch box. Then after the who are the school management, they were informed to alarm to her father. The lunch box that hadn't came, like that they alarm to him. Her father, he rushly came to home. That time he found outside their house, outside locked, he found. And when he opened the door, that time he shocked himself. On the bed, full of the blood, multiple time stabbed and injuries on her daughter, his daughter. He shocked and immediately informed to the police officials. The police officials, they were came, and they were they were rushly came, and they searched entire the home, and with the Scott. And then after they they are started the investigation. Two team also formed and the investigation started. You know, you know. Then after they suspected someone, so and since the 18th to still they are investigated. Then after ultimately one suspect came and one who was the accused person who was stabbed her, who was killed her, he confessed and he arrested by the police officials. He is a 10th class boy. He's studying 10th class, 14 years old boy. Why he stabbed, why he killed her, why he was murdered her means, he went for he intently went for stole the bat in their home. That time, he hadn't no inside the girl. He know about that there is no one, but there was a girl inside the home. When he um, confronted, that time that time he was fled from the spot. He trying to fleeing from the spot. That time she was um, abstracting and confronted him. That time he stabbed and he killed her. Why he killed means only there is the one problem. He went for the stolen the bat that led and that path to her death. Really, I am very sad. Where is the society? What is going on day to day? What happening in the society, in the our state especially? Really, I am very very sad. First of all, I am sending them my condolence and I am expressing my regret toward the who was the victim girl. Friends, actually who is the boy? He planned himself and he felt himself and he designed himself mission done like that. And he written the one diary also. The police officials also recovered the what was he written and what was he framed the diary and slips. About the how to stole, how to theft to the things and how to murder to others when they were confront that time. Like that he designed and he written the one diary and he felt himself he is a one of the done like that. And daily he watching the videos on the Netflix videos, that videos how to theft like that. He daily watching the videos and he planned himself. What I am saying means, friends, everyone who are the parents, who are the civic persons, civic body, everyone should be alert and should be away from the such type of incident and issues. Especially who are the parents, they especially alert about the your children, your daughter and son, and take the care about the your children. Don't won't leave them lonely solely. If you left them, such like incident will be continue and will be registered. That is why everyone should be take the care about your children and give the security to them. This is my humble request to everyone. And should be, nowadays the social media and which are the electronic the electronic media that giving the so much of influence to the all are who are especially minors destroying their life and minors getting the influence on the such type of social media and YouTube and that Instagram. Like that they are watching the different videos. That is why every parents away from the mobile phone. This is the first point. And after second point is a don't won't leave them lonely. This is the second point. Should be care and should be uh, stay with them when they are lonely, so lonely that time. This is my request and my message to every parents. Really, she she was innocent girl. She had a bright future, but one boy, he imagined himself and he designed himself, and he killed the one innocent girl. Really this is very sad news. This incident circulating on the social media, all are the reporters and all are the media people. They are taking the video and news from the spot, and they are circulating the about the incident, but no one bring back the her life. Their parents, they are right now the full of the mourning situation going on. They have the two children, only one girl and one boy. They were lost their daughter. They remaining only one son. That is why, everyone, parents also should be give the counseling and guidance to your children, how to exist, how to move, how to live their life with the neighbors, with the elders, with the society. Like there should be parents also one of the responsible person on their children life and career. And I am specially mentioning one thing. Every school should be appoint the one psychologist for giving the counseling and guidance to children. This is the main my notice to government and private schools. Thank you everyone. And once again I am sending my condolence to bereaved family member and who was the victim person, who was died, the girl. Thank you. JB. Friends, the social media influence of social media. Everyone who are the minors and majors. Crime, factionism, killing. Imagine that one day to day growing up. There is no any curb and control. The government also, home minister also, they hadn't take the any responsibility on the issues and incidents. Especially government and home minister should be give the awareness program, how to move, how to behave with the society and elders and neighbors. They hadn't not giving the any counseling and guidance and awareness program. Who are the, especially who are the influencers. Especially they have to take the path, they have to take the one challenge to give the good message to the society. They also hadn't. This is the one of the sad to everyone. Every parents should be look after their children. Otherwise may they hadn't to take the any look after and any responsibility of their movement and their situation. They also become a such like who was the did the accused person, who was killed one innocent girl. And ultimately the investigation was in the investigation the boy was accused person. Like the investigation that came, and the police officials, who is the DCP, the Balanagar DCP K. Suresh Kumar, filed the case, and they nabbed him, and they lodged inside the police station. That one is a completed. But really very sad to everyone. That is why every parents should be give the good movement and good counseling and good situation environment to your children, daughter and son. This is my humble message to everyone. Thank you. JB.